We're going to dive into the unbelievable stories of folks who stumbled into riches through sheer luck, bizarre ideas, or just by being at the right place at the right time. You're going to be scratching your head wondering, why didn't I think of that? So buckle up and let's get started. The first dumb millionaire story takes us back to the 1970s when a man named Gary Dahl decided to sell rocks as pets. Yes, rocks. Dahl came up with the idea while having a conversation with his friends, complaining about the responsibilities of pet ownership. He joked that a rock would be the perfect pet, and the idea for the pet rock was born. Dahl sourced ordinary rocks from a nearby beach, packaged them in little cardboard boxes, and included a tongue-in-cheek instruction manual on how to care for your new pet. He started selling them in 1975 for $3.95 each. To everyone's surprise, the pet rock became a massive hit, selling over 1.5 million units in just 6 months. By the time the fad died down, Dahl had become a multimillionaire. Our next dumb tale is about a young Norwegian man named Christopher Koch, who accidentally became a Bitcoin millionaire. In 2009, while doing research for a thesis on encryption, Koch came across Bitcoin, a relatively unknown digital currency at the time. He decided to invest a small sum of $27, buying 5,000 Bitcoins. He then promptly forgot about his purchase. Fast forward to 2013, when Bitcoin suddenly became a hot topic and its value skyrocketed. Koch suddenly remembered his investment and decided to check on it. To his utter shock, his $27 investment had ballooned to a staggering $886,000. Cashing out just a fraction of his Bitcoin fortune, Koch was able to buy a luxurious apartment in Oslo and is set for life. Talk about dumb luck. The third dumb millionaire story revolves around a brilliant yet absurd idea of selling pixels on a website. In 2005, a 21-year-old British student named Alex Tu decided to raise money for his university education by creating a website called the $1 Million Homepage. The concept was simple. Tu created a 1000x 1000 pixel grid on his website and sold each pixel for $1. He then reached out to businesses, offering them ad space on the grid. As pixels were bought, the website became a colorful mosaic of ads, and visitors could click on the ads to be redirected to the advertiser's website. The idea went viral, and within just a few months, Tu had sold all 1 million pixels, earning a cool $1 million. This dumb yet ingenious idea not only made Tu a millionaire, but also secured his spot in internet history. The fourth dumb story is about the man who created one of the most iconic symbols in popular culture, the yellow smiley face. In 1963, Harvey Ball, a freelance graphic artist, was hired by an insurance company to create a symbol to boost employee morale. Ball came up with the simple yet effective yellow smiley face in just 10 minutes and was paid a mere $45 for his work. The symbol quickly gained popularity, and by the 1970s, it was everywhere, from buttons and t-shirts to coffee mugs and bumper stickers. While Ball didn't directly profit from the smiley face's popularity, two brothers named Bernard and Murray Spain saw its potential and trademarked the symbol with the phrase, "Have a nice day." The Spain brothers went on to sell over 50 million smiley face buttons, making them millionaires from a symbol they didn't even create. Our fifth dumb millionaire tale is about a man who turned a simple idea into a multi-million-dollar business, the creator of the slanket, Gary Clegg. In 1998, Clegg, a college student at the time, came up with the idea of a blanket with sleeves while trying to stay warm in his cold dorm room. Clegg sewed sleeves onto a regular blanket, creating the first slanket prototype. He patented the idea and started selling the slanket online in 2006 for $44.99 each. The slanket quickly gained popularity thanks to its unique design and the rise of social media. Within just a few years, Clegg had sold over 1 million slankets and made millions of dollars from his simple, cozy invention. Our final story is a ridiculous one, about a couple who created a unique product for their beloved pet and ended up making a fortune. The inventors of Doggles, Ronnie, and Ken DeLullo. In 1997, the couple noticed that their dog, Midnight, was having trouble seeing in bright sunlight during their outdoor adventures. To help their furry friend, they designed a pair of goggles specifically for dogs, and Doggles were born. The goggles not only provided UV protection for dogs' eyes, but were also designed to fit the unique shape of a dog's face. Doggles quickly gained attention, and the couple started selling them online and in pet stores. Soon, they expanded their product line to include other pet accessories like backpacks, flotation devices, and protective eyewear for military and police dogs. Today, Doggles is a multi-million-dollar business, all thanks to a simple yet thoughtful idea to help their pet enjoy the great outdoors more comfortably. And there you have it, 6 dumb yet fascinating ways people became millionaires. It just goes to show that sometimes even the most outlandish or seemingly trivial ideas can lead to incredible success. So never underestimate your creativity and the power of a good or dumb idea. Thanks for watching, and until next time.